And we're back. He wants to be on YouTube, but he's so shy. You just gotta. All right. Anyways, we got all our fish done, and as you can tell by its bubbling, it is hot. It's probably gonna pop. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop that bad boy up in there. I don't even like Cardi B like that. It will cook very quickly. And basically because the oil I've been cooking already, so the oil isn't gonna be brand new, so it's not gonna be golden brown, but it's gonna be good. That's all that matters. I need to get some more flour. All right, let's check on our fries. Open it up. It says we have a minute left, but we put the whole bag in there, so we're probably gonna put on some more time. I want them to get golden brown. Yeah, open it up. Pull it out a little bit. Don't pull it out all the way. Just a little bit. Yeah, shake it up a little bit. Alright. Put it back in. Man, that Ozarka Purple Water, bro. Woo! Came through with the sponsorship. Need a utensil to get it out. Safety note. Water and grease. So even though I'm making this out right now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to dry this off as much as possible because it will start popping. Alright, so our timer went off. So go ahead and hit that cook time button there. And then hit that cook time button again. With another 5 minutes and we'll check it. Definitely want to make sure that your utensil is dry. Yeah. Press the light. The light. And start. Press that. Take it. I'm sorry. Press that. The red button. Press that. Yeah. Alright. There you go. Now, if you see that the fish is starting to float,
it smells good.
Yeah. And I usually go based off of how much it's bubbling. Once a certain piece stops popping as much, pull it out. And we don't have any tartar sauce. All we're gonna have is spicy sriracha. It wouldn't be in there. The reason why I teach y'all to cook is because I want you guys to be self-sufficient. Too many kids these days are growing up needing somebody to help them do everything. No. Back in the day, they used to leave kids home. Like when parents would leave, they were like, all right, I'm going to town. Town wasn't just down the street, it was away. I'll be back in a few hours, maybe not back to it the next day. So if you guys are too afraid to do anything, who's gonna eat? You have a younger brother you gotta take care of. This isn't hard to do. If I was to go to Red Robin, fish and chips cost about $15, and that's just for me. I paid $17 for the fish, almost 2 pounds of fish. And then we bought the fries, 2 bags for $5. So that's 22 bucks. And then we bought some broccoli, which we'll eat later. And that's it. And we cook on our own terms, and we know if it's fresh or not. Some people, just because it's a restaurant, some people don't wash their hands, and that's, ugh. I know you've all seen that person. Hopefully you're not that person that don't wash their hands. It's gross, man. Like, I don't get that. And if you see, there you go, right there. Looks pretty good. Now, I was told that you can tell if fish is cooked based off of how, if you can just stick a fork through it. That's a spoon. It's gonna be hot. Woo, look at that! Look at that cod right there, baby. I ain't gonna eat that right now. Some of the flour has come off. You will eventually have to change your flour out too. Leave that alone. We didn't even cut up all the fish. We actually used maybe 1.5. So still got some fish to go. But we ain't gonna cook it all right now. So here's be my prediction, my Super Bowl prediction. All right, the Rams are gonna come out looking good, and then they might even get up a couple scores on Brady. But I think the Patriots are going to do what the Patriots do. If they don't put no pressure on Brady, it's a wrap. You have to get Brady off of his rhythm. The Patriots, nobody really talks about their defense because I don't think the Patriots really rely on their defense. They really rely on Brady. And I can't hate them because they're an overall good squad. I mean, you can't hate a team that keeps on going to the Super Bowl. You just wish it was your team instead of them. Feel me? So, we'll let that go. There, you want to try the fish?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
All right, here we go. You gotta tell me how it tastes. Here.
What are your thoughts on it?
Really good.
Why don't you tell the camera? Don't tell the fish. No, I'm gonna tell the fish. It's really good. Really good.
Really good. Has a taste in it.
Uh-huh.
And
It's good, right?
it has.
Try the fish. Look at him trying to think he's getting swallowed. I'm getting swallowed.
Yeah. That's better than any other restaurant I've been to.
Man, I must not have set the bar high. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got popping up here. Oh yeah, there we go. Move that out the way. Boom. All right, that's homemade fish and chips, fellas. So we almost out of here, almost out of time. So let's go ahead and wrap it up. So name's Sir Cash on the vid. We got to thank TSM Myth for stopping by our house. Now, what's your name? What's your shout out name?
Bimo.
Bimo. All right.
Cash Bear.
Cash Bear. All right, y'all. We out. Peace.